In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix no internet secured. So the first method is to go to your Windows search and type in troubleshoot. Then best match should come up. Click on troubleshoot settings. Then wait for it to load. Then under get up and running, click on internet connections. Click on run the troubleshooter. Then click on troubleshoot my connection to the internet. Now it has finished, so restart your computer and see if that fixes your problem. If it doesn't, try the second method I'm about to show you. Method number 2 is to go to your control panel. So type in control panel. Best match should come up. Click on it. Then type in network. Then click on network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Click on the under Wi-Fi where it says Wi-Fi, right click. Click on properties. Click on configure. Click on driver. Click on update driver. Now there's two options. Click on the first one first. So click on that. Once it searches for drivers, it might take a bit, so wait for it. Once it has done this, just click close, then click update driver again, and now click the second option which says browse my computer for driver software. Then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then click on the newest version. Right here you can see mine says 7/1/2020, which is the newest one. Then click on next once you have chosen the newest one, newest driver. Now wait for it to install the drivers, and once it has, make sure you restart your computer and see if that fixes it. If it does, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Method number 3 is to enable and disable your Wi-Fi. To do this, go to the control panel. Then once you open up the control panel, type in network. Then hit enter or the run button. Then click on network and sharing center. And click on change adapter settings. On Wi-Fi, right click on it. Click on disable. Now it says disabled, as you can see. If I click on this, nothing comes up. Now right click on it and click on enable. Once it has been enabled, wait 5 to 10 seconds. Once those 5 to 10 seconds are over, connect to your Wi-Fi and see if that fixes your problem. If it doesn't, there is one last solution, and that solution is to go to your actual Wi-Fi router, the Wi-Fi box, and then turn it off, then wait 10 seconds and turn it on, and then connect back to the Wi-Fi and see if that works. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have found this helpful.